Well, I read this quote by Coco Chanel. She once said that when a woman cuts her hair, she is about to change her life, and it sounded so good. And I wish it were my story, but what can I say? It was not it. It was not it. I just got sick of the tangles, the knots of my hair. I had super long and thick hair, and if I didn't comb my hair even for a day, my hair would freak out. It turned into this crazy mess. And my regular audience, they know that I struggle with mental health sometimes, and there are days I can't even take care of myself. I can't get up from bed. What should I say? I can't even comb my hair. So the struggle became more frequent these days, and decided to shed off this responsibility and just I cut my hair. And I would admit that it happened like it was a drastic goodbye. My hair didn't deserve this. It deserved more gentle goodbye, more thoughtful goodbye, but it didn't happen. And I regret it. I won't say that I didn't regret, I did. And when I realized I did this crazy mess, I decided to do the thing I do all the time I mess up. I turned to this person that, fixes everything. My Superman. অনির্বাণ একদম চুলটা কেটে দিয়েছি, ঠিক করে দেবি? হ্যাঁ
দিব 10টা বাজে সময় দে, কানে দিচ্ছে না।
কেমন লাগছে? আমি ছোটো করবো?
ভালো লাগছে
আর ছোটো করবো
না? ছোটো করিস না,
ভালো লাগছে না? মানে ওয়েট হচ্ছে, দেখ এই সাইডটা দেখ, এই সাইডটা দেখ,
অনেক এটা লাগছে। মানে নাই খেয়ে বলি
করে দেবে। হ্যাঁ ঠিক মতো করে।
ভালো লাগছে, খুব সুন্দর লাগছে।
Actually, I cut my hair after 4 years. It was my 4 years of hair growth, and everyone was shocked, especially Tata. So I asked Anirban to just cut my hair because it was looking crazy. And I did something like this before as well, and he helped me that time, so I had faith in him. So when he started cutting my hair, I was like, oh, it's happening. I was like, maybe I'm smiling right now, I'm gonna cry later, something like that. But then I saw my hair knots. They were still there, and we had to detangle it. It was messy, and I remembered why I decided to do this. And honestly, I was happy. I was looking forward to my, short and more manageable hair, though I was a bit confused and numb. So after cutting my hair, I shampooed my hair. I was happy, I used to use so much of hair product. I needed that, but now I needed so little because my hair was short. I was thinking about all the money I'm gonna save over hair products, and I was excited to see my new hair, and there it is. And I was happy. I'm happy with it. Though I'm gonna miss my long hair. But the good part is hair grows, and my hair grows pretty fast. So it's just, maybe I'm gonna grow my hair long someday. Not now, but someday. And for now, I'm gonna enjoy this.